even when they hold meetings. I'm a member of the National Executive Council of UDA. But when they call those meetings, they don't even bother to call me. I have refused to accept that Luyas don't count. I am saying in 2027, Vana Baba Luhya, this time will be counted and they will be known. As far as Mudavadi is concerned, as far as Wetangula is concerned, you're only as good as you help them to take people to the polling stations so that they get those positions. When they get whatever benefits they get in return, which I don't know, Wetangula, mani ne helicopter, mahira ibungoma, Mudavadi, mayiha nende helicopter ibihika, mahira bindu bienebo, yueneo, papara hukakameka ibeho, ta. I am going to make sure in 2027 Kakamega gets a position at the national table of brotherhood. I'm going to make sure in 2027 whoever thinks that Luhyas are not there. Now, ile masomo yenye Michael kijana wa Malu alinipatia, akaniambia ukiwa katika siasa heshimu wale waliokutangulia. Nimeheshimu Mudavadi, nimeheshimu Wetangula, but because they have let us down, I have decided, let them go there, but they will also find me there. Yeah. And do you know why they have not been finding me there? It is because I know where there is. But to go there, I know where there is. But to go there, I have been relying on them so that tutembee pamoja, either kwa gari moja, ama gari ambaye inaweza kunipatia kamwanya kidogo, ndio nifike huko. That is the problem they used in 2022 to stop me. I am the one who brought William Ruto in the Luhya Nation. The first meeting was in this hall. And President William Ruto, I tell you, my brother, my wife, she's lying there. You are the last dignitary she cooked for before she died. And I was shocked. He warned me and say, wewe uwezi uliza serikali maneno. Wewe ni chief whip, unastahili kunyamaza, kujibu maswali na ujue tumekupatia gari. Really?